Welcome to ZMC Gaming, I'm Zero. I used to be a pro Killer Instinct player, but then I decided to start a YouTube channel to help people learn the ins and outs of fighting games and to just play fun games with fun people from all around the world. In this channel, you can expect to see tutorials, your occasional goofy video, and live streams of all the latest AAA titles, fighting games of course, and VR content. And what better way to start a channel with the ultimate setup build. So here it is. For all of you tech heads out here, here are the specs. I7-7700k, 2 MSI gaming 1080s and SLI, 3 My Digital SSD BPX in RAID 0, 32 gigabytes of G-Skill RGB RAM, the Kraken X62 all-in-one water cooler, Corsair AP or AF red LED fans, WD Black 2TB hard drive, 2x Bit Phoenix red LEDs, and it's all in the Fantex P400S tempered glass case. thanks for watching. If you're interested in seeing upcoming tutorials, including tutorials on frame data or any kind of fighting game mechanic, I'm going to be doing a series coming up soon, basically like a fighting game glossary of different techniques. If you're looking forward to that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you liked the video, like it. If you disliked it, you can dislike it. Leave a comment. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.